Welcome to this Aderyn screencast. So today we're going to look at the data inquiry request system within Aderyn, or the DERF system. So this is where a data request comes into one of the LERCs and data is requested, species data around a given point or polygon somewhere within Wales. So how does that process work? How does it start? And what's the end result of it? So the process starts by filling in a DERF, or a data inquiry release form request. Usually this comes from one of the LERC websites. So for instance, on the WWBIC website, you can download a PDF form and fill that in and send it into the LERC. On the SUBREC website, it's a very similar process. BIS do things slightly differently. If you go to their services tab here and then data inquiry, you'll see there a link to start a data inquiry, and that takes you through a little web-based form, which again collects all the necessary data and sends it through to the LERC. Once the LERC receives that information, they'll then create the DERF within Aderyn. Now, all of the LERCs offer the same packages, the same data packages. If you require a bespoke package, obviously contact your nearest LERC and discuss that with them. Otherwise, the four packages here are, first of all, package A, which is the barb package, which is bats and roof nesting birds. There's also package B, C and D. These are more general searches for priority species around a given point or polygon with buffers of increasing sizes. So the LERC will create that inquiry within Aderyn on a page like this. Once they've added all the information in, set the location, they'll then email the quote to the customer. You'll then receive an email much like this one here, with that commercial inquiry quote within it and a link that you can click on. You can click on that link. You'll then be able to see the quotation on a page like this. You'll see all the information about the number of species records that have been found. You'll see the location, which you can double check is correct. You'll also see a button here at the bottom to confirm that quotation. So if you're happy with the quotation, everything looks correct, you can click on this button. An email is then generated back to the LERC. They'll then complete that inquiry and finally email you to say that that's been done. You'll then receive an email like this one, again with a link that you can click on, which will allow you to view the results of that data inquiry. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to this page. You'll have some important notes to review there at the top. And then you'll see the results of your data inquiry. Now, there are a number of tabs here: summary, species, sites, habitats, eMapper, and export. And down the bottom here, there's also a map. So rather than cover them in this video, we'll do a second screencast detailing this results page and the ways that you can view your data and also export it. So once more, thanks for watching this screencast. Feedback is always welcome, and you can send that in to inquiry@biz.org.uk. Thanks again for watching.